G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see ya. Last week we touched on base on timber sitting against the ground or being chopped up from the ground, and the reason that we're going to do that. Since then and today, what I did was I put a piece of timber on the slab, and you can see how the timber itself has changed, changed shape. So it's got a complete bow in it. So the moisture's come up through the slab, got into the timber and then changed the shape of it. Come over here. You can see here that the timber is chocked up off the ground so we can get some airflow underneath here. And the timber the whole time is kept well covered with a good tarp. What that does is it ensures that the climate stays directly off the material. So the rain, the sun, all of that kind of stuff and all that jazz plays a part in how the timber changes shape, or what we call seasons on site. We need to ensure that we reduce the amount of seasoning on site as much as we can so the timber stays straight and true. When we don't do that, we start getting those bows and twists and snap crackles and pops all the time on site. So by keeping the timber off the ground and by keeping it racked in places where air can get through it, we're always holding the moisture content at a certain level, and we're reducing the ability for the timber to be moving around. With the cost of timber going up so rapidly and top quality timber becoming such a high priced research, it's super important that we make sure that we take care of whatever material that we got on site the best we can. Now we're just coming to the end of our framing stage for the green build, and we got all of the walls pre-made, so made off-site, and then they've come in and we've stood them up here. I have to say I'm very impressed with the amount of reduced weight that we've got on site and the quality of the walls. We did a lot of homework on those, but you'll see that in my documentary. If you've got any questions or queries about reducing waste on site and or seasoning your timber, keeping your timber off the ground, the best way to stack it on site, flick me over a message and I'll answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay awesome.